back with another video. You know how we start the videos off. We crashed again. Just kidding, we didn't crash. But I found this pretty good spot over here by the train tracks. I'm about to go get you know, the big Trackhawk logo. So I don't know if I should get the big one, the one that goes up like that, or the one that goes right here in the door. But I'm gonna go check him out right now, see which one I get. But I'm gonna get one though. We gotta come up with one today. What you guys think? What you guys think? You guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Let's go. We're here at Graphics. He's about to get down with the bird. Check out this BMW M4. Nice.
It's about to change the whole look.
We got Herma getting down right now. I'd say he's probably the best sticker place shop here in Vegas. Sticker, window tint, Herma Graphics. He got an Instagram too, Herma Graphics. Yeah, I'd say you need any sticker places here in Vegas, come check them out. Check it out, man. I like it. Look at that. Big bird activities right here. Look at that. I think it makes it look a lot better too. It just makes it look a lot cleaner. Right now when we pull it out, we're gonna get a better shot. But I like it. Look at that. Look at that. It just makes it look a lot, it makes it look super hard with that Trackhawk. The bird right there on the side. Shit. Look at that, look at that. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below what you guys think. I think it looks super hard. We put the red eye on it too. Show you guys this side over here. The sun's in the way, but you guys can see it. Look at that. I'm gonna go get some night pictures tonight, see how it looks. But yeah. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you go do that right now. Let's roll. I feel like I gained like 40 horsepower with that sticker. 40 horsepower. Alright guys, check it out, check it out, check it out. Looks super good in the nighttime. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. I think it looks awesome. Look at that. It makes it look more compact too. It makes the Trackhawk look like smaller. I don't know why. It just does. And then the Brembo brakes, the brakes are coming off real good. Look at that. I just see my light is messed up too. Get missed that. It looks super nice. Man, I think we did good. We did good. Look at that. It's shiny. on this. I'm about to try to get a rolling video right now. Let me go. I gotta go pick up my nephew or somebody. Let's roll. Would you look at this? Nice. We got Matthew with us, the nephew. He's gonna record. We're gonna do a launch from there, coming back this way. So we'll see how it looks. Here you go. Right here.
Good.